First of all, carbon in ground state contain 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In excited state it contain 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Here, for suppose if it shows sp3, then there is no pure orbital. Okay? If it shows sp2, then there is one pure orbital. sp2, then there is one pure orbital. If carbon shows sp hybridization, then it contains two hybrid orbitals and two pure orbitals, right? Now I am taking example C2H6, alkanes. Alkane, it is alkane, ethane. Ethane contains all single bonds. All single bond means, yes, the hybridization is sp3. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons. In each carbon, sp3 means 4 hybrid orbitals, okay? So, 2 carbons contain 2 into 4, 8 hybrid orbitals. Okay. When carbon shows sp3 hybridization, there is no pure orbital. All are hybrid orbitals. Clear? Right. How many hydrogens are there? 6. So 6 hydrogens contain 6 pure orbitals. Each hydrogen contains 1 orbital. They are pure. So finally, the ratio between hybrid and unhybrid means hybrid are 8 and whereas unhybrid is 6. So that is nothing but 4:3. Next example is ethene, C2H4. That means alkene. Alkene contain double bond. If carbon contain one double bond, the hybridization is sp2, right? So how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. So 2 into 3, because when sp2 hybridization is there, there are 3 hybrid orbitals and 1 is pure orbital. So 2 carbons, there are 2 carbons, that's why 2 into 3, 6 hybrid orbitals are there. In other side, each carbon contain 1 pure orbital. So 2 pure orbitals are unhybrid orbitals. How many hydrogens are there? 4. So 4 hydrogens contain 4 pure orbitals. So finally, 6:6, hybrid 6 and unhybrid are pure 6. 6:6. Acetylene, ethyne. Ethyne means alkyne. In alkynes, carbon contain triple bond. Triple bond means it shows sp hybridization. sp hybridization means 2 are hybrid and these 2 are pure orbitals, right? First of all, I am taking hybrid orbitals. Each carbon contain 2 hybrid. There are 2 carbons. That's why 2 into 2, 4 hybrid orbitals are there. And each carbon contain 2 pure orbitals or unhybrid orbitals. That's why here also 2 into 2. And there are 2 hydrogens. So 2 pure orbitals. So finally, the ratio is 4:6. Benzene. Benzene contains 3 pi bonds. So each carbon shows double bond. That means each carbon shows sp2 hybridization. So whenever carbon shows sp2 hybridization, each carbon contains 3 hybrid orbitals and 1 pure orbital, or you can call it as unhybrid orbital. So number of pure orbitals, how many carbons are there? 6. 6 carbons. Each carbon contains 3 hybrid orbital. So 6 into 3, that is 18 hybrid orbitals. What about unhybrid or pure orbitals? Pure orbitals. Each carbon contains 1 pure orbital. 1 pure orbital. So 6 carbons contain 6 pure orbitals and 6 hydrogens present in benzene contain 6 pure orbitals. So pure orbitals are 12. So the ratio is 18:12, that is 3:2. But carefully observe the question. The asked question is either it is a ratio between hybrid to pure or pure to hybrid. That must be careful.